HoldMyGear, Hayward, California, 7,000 sales, great reviews. Not responding to messages fast enough, but that's okay, because I understand Etsy requires 24-hour response even on weekend, which is a lot. No banner image, not the end of the world, but better. Good quantity of products. Ooh, I'm going to like this. Oh, these are good stuff. Oh, I just want to click on this right now. Oh, that is a great looking item. Oh, yeah, good stuff. No video. You need a video. A video will improve the search ranking of all your items quite a bit. This looks like really good photos. Yeah, that looks almost like carbon fiber, even though it's a 3D printed part. This part does have a third-party assembly of these extra pieces on the back, which can cause problems. You can't use things like our print-on-demand plugin for these to have us print and ship items for folks. But that's okay, because as an interior kind of lifestyle business, this is great. But yeah, these are accessories targeted towards Samsung Galaxy Buds, the Apple remote, whatever it happens to be. All these things can be mounted up. These belt clips. This is cool. This is a really good niche. And yeah, you target the product itself that it's an accessory to. Accessories are always a really good option. And you have this universal hook on the back, this universal mount point. So creating all these products is actually fairly easy, because you create the geometry to hold the Leatherman or whatever it happens to be, and then you have it go back to the universal hook on the back. So creating a large number of variations is easy. To increase sales even more, again, I would say run a sale against these individual products, either seasonally or based on what customer demand kind of is. Like, oh, new Galaxy Buds just got released. Run a sale, and then everybody will be reminded of this item, because they'll all get a notification on Etsy that this went on sale, and you'll sell a mess of those. These people with it in their cart will convert over. Get videos for these items, because that'll move you up in search rankings. You're doing fine. I don't have to coach you too much, because you've got a really good niche. But having more can't hurt you none. But the product photos are really good. This consistency of product photos looks really great. Oh, just good work. This is really good work. And you can see how the product photos evolved. I kind of like this on the belt one, because it brings it home really fast if somebody's like gift shopping, because these are a little bit ambiguous as to what it is until you read the item or read the title of the item. And even that kind of leaves some to the imagination. But holsters for things. This is great. This is a really good idea. Descriptions, how are the descriptions looking? Let's see here. The description is a little bit sparse, but the TBD is good. Looks like you're copy and pasting descriptions over, which is fine. I would recommend, in order to spice these up, if you're going to use the same description over and over again, because I'm going to see the same wording and layout in another description, that can hurt your SEO a little bit too. Run it through ChatGPT and have it do a revamp of it, so it's fully reworded and you're not just like changing the name of the flashlight that's held inside the thing. And that'll create a little bit more robust copy for you without adding a lot of extra effort. But great reviews of the shop. What's like the most popular? Highest rating. Let's see here. Well, great shop. Yeah, these sorts of really targeted sorts of items, these accessories for stuff. Really great niche to be working in if you're trying to set up an Etsy store. And now you can get designers on Fiverr to make a bunch of these things if you get a baseline for it. Photography, AI solves a bunch of those problems. And you don't even have to print these kind of things. If those clips were designed to be 3D printed themselves, the clip on the back that's an add-on, you could print the clip laying on its side so it's reliable, and then these parts just printed as is, and then the end customer could basically assemble them with like a twist and lock. And then you could run it through print on demand, and then you don't have to worry about fulfilling all of these orders as time goes by. But great store, really cool store.